What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we're talking about Blueland's toilet bowl cleaners. I don't like to clean the toilet. I don't know anybody that does. Wanted something that was easy. So I looked online and I found this company called Blueland, and it's natural products. This thing, it looked really great. I mean, from what I saw online. So you buy the starter kit. It comes with this and tablets on the inside. These like huge Rolade tablets that you pick one out, drop it in the toilet, let it bubble, sizzle, scrub it real quickly with a brush, and you're done. And it smells great. So I ordered them. This is what I ordered. You can look right there to what I ordered. So you get the kit and the tablets. When this came, guys, from Blueland, this is what I received. Are you ready? Powder. I had 4 tablets that were pretty much in one piece. I've used 2 tablets left, and the rest was powder. So I was not really happy with that. So I contacted Blueland and I wrote them a note, a nice little pleasant note. So I got my first email was, thanks for reaching out. We're gonna send this over to customer service. We're so glad you talked to us and value blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so then I got the letter back from Blueland. This is what it said. Hi, Thomas. Thanks for your email and support of Blueland. We apologize for your inconvenience and the poor experience you've had. Our team has done extensive ship testing to ensure the toilet cleaners tablets arrive safely to you. We're sorry to hear the product has arrived damaged. This is a little more than damaged. We never put any coating or synthetic binders in our tablets, which are typically methods for reducing dust and breakage. Great. Our ingredient tablets are functional. Anyway, it goes on down and says, all of our ingredients in our tablets are functional ingredients. Therefore, pieces of the tablets and our powders in the patch will work well as the full tablets. We suggest using them directly in the toilet bowl. You may even notice that smaller pieces will dissolve faster and create more foam than a typical tablet. Your toilet will be just as clean after use. We appreciate your patience. Let us know if you have any other concerns. Best, signed, I'm not gonna say his name, someone at the Blueland team. We'll just call him C at the Blueland team. That didn't go over well with me. I ordered this for ease of use. So I wrote back and I was just like, really? I've attached a photo. I'm not interested in spooning in the product. I bought this because of ease of use. I will not be repurchasing it, etc., etc. Never heard another word from him. And then a few days later, boom, I get a shipping notification that they're sending me replacements. Why all this rigmarole? When I sent you a picture of powder like this, you need to say, evidently there was a problem in shipping, let us replace that. So anyway, let's get to the product itself. So I've tried it. So the directions basically drop it in, let it stop foaming, swish a few times with a toilet brush, your toilet's clean. I do have to say they smell really good. They're kind of citrus, and supposedly they're not harmful. I don't like the smell of bleach, and that's a lot of problems with the toilet cleaners is it all stinks like bleach and your house smells like bleach. So about a week later, I get a package from Blueland. I have not really looked at it, so let's see what we got. This one, packaged nicely. I must say, the original package, it had the container and then a bag of the things. Okay, this feels like a complete chunk. It doesn't feel like it's breaking. Okay, the directions say drop tablet in the bowl of your toilet and watch it foam and fizz. Once the tablet is dissolved, give the bowl a quick brush. So let's see what kind of magic we have on this one. Okay, these are whole tablets. This is the way they should have come. It really does smell good, y'all. Okay, bingo. That is exactly what they should look like. Every single one of them is in one piece. It is not a pile of powder. Unacceptable, totally acceptable. All right, guys, so rather than a toilet, we're gonna use the kitchen sink. I have the porcelain kitchen sink, which by the way, I'm not a big fan of. It it scratches so, but not scratches, but it mars. And it's like, I wish I had bought a stainless steel. But anyway, here we go. There's our water, our sink with water in it. We've got our tablet. We're gonna drop it in. Bloop. Hey, look, it foams. So all of the magic is happening. It doesn't take that long to dissolve. It smells really good, y'all. So it says, let the tablet dissolve, and then we're gonna lightly scrub it. So on the bottom, there was a little bit of food, and we're gonna see how this looks. So it's almost completely dissolved now. And Blueland does say it's a safe product. It's not going to be like something that you can't put I'm not going to soak my hand in it, but it's not harsh. That's the word. All right, we're almost completely gone. So we're going to give this a light scrub. Okay. I'm still not sticking my hand in there. So let's get this up. We'll pretend like we're flushing it. It did do a pretty good job on the kitchen sink. It does a pretty good job on the toilet too. It's comparable to the Clorox, all of that stuff. It doesn't take off the hard water stains, which we have a problem down here. You get that ring and you got to use a Puma Stone to get it off. It doesn't really address that. But it does an average job cleaning. It does smell really good and it smells clean, and that's most of the battle. Is it worth the starter kit? Because the starter kit is 20 bucks. So that makes each tablet run about $144 per tablet. The refill is $14. So it adds $1 a tablet plus shipping. Is it cheaper than the stuff that you buy at Walmart? No, it's not. Is it better for you? Probably so. It's not as chemically, it's safe. They do, Blueland sells these kits where you get the container and you buy refills. So it's supposedly more green for us. It's up to you if you want to try it. I will not be repurchasing from Blueland simply because of the customer service issue that I have. I don't think it was acceptable. If you guys love Blueland, please let me know. I'd love to hear what y'all have to say about it. If you have tried any of the other products, I'd love to know what you know about that too. But anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit subscribe down below. If you like the video too, give me a thumbs up. You guys have a safe week out there, and see y'all next week.